Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also good.
So today is day 1.
Hello.
Hello, Lulia, ma'am. Namaste.
Namaste. How are you?
Fine. And how are you?
Good. Good. Just came back. I had a little injury on my back, but it's getting better.
How?
I just had the injury from, if you can believe, from Shavasana. I stand up too fast. So I think I injured my right side for a bit, but it passed now, thank God.
Is it hard injury?
Hot?
Hard injury or normal?
Oh, it's very hot.
Very hard.
Very hot. Especially at this time, it's hot and it cools off about 6 o'clock or something like that. But probably it's not as bad as India, right? I'll get the headphone. Okay. All right.
Catherine, ma'am, this is your second day?
Yes.
Yes?
No, first day anatomy or?
No? Second day.
Yes. Yes.
You are from Germany, no?
Yes.
Yes. No new student there in Bali Yoga School?
Sorry?
Yeah.
No new student?
Oh, there's like 7.
7. Then
Yeah. I don't know why they put philosophy
what?
again.
No, but
They make philosophy right now.
they have philosophy class.
Yeah, they put them in philosophy class because ours, mine and Gloria, if you remember, we're advanced, like we're more advanced. We came a little bit earlier. So
Yes.
our philosophy is in an hour and their philosophy is before us. So I guess they again overlapped and forgot about anatomy. Should I talk to Dewa or you want to talk to Dewa?
Okay, I will talk later.
All right.
So they're not attending anatomy class?
They should, but they're doing philosophy right now on the deck.
Okay.
Maybe it's just like it happened with us. It's a problem of scheduling.
Okay, okay. So let us begin the class. Sit in any comfortable position. Spine straight. Adopt Jnana Chin Mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om followed by opening mantra. Om. Opening mantra, repeat after me. Yogena chittasya
Yogena chittasa
padena vacham
vacham
malam sarirasya
Malam Arsirasa
chavaidhyakena
Chavedjakena
yopakarotam
Shokakaritan
pravaram muninam
Pravaram Morena
patanjalim
Patanjali
pranjalim
Tranjanjali
ranatosmi
Ratanosmi
Om.
Om.
Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an edge. Slowly and gently, while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Shanti.
Lulia ma'am, please on your camera. Yes. Why are you hiding?
I'm more comfortable. I don't like being on a camera, on a video, online somewhere.
So, what is our today's topic? Last day we learned about human skeleton. Human skeleton. Lulia ma'am, you was absent.
Yes,
Yes,
I was not feeling well.
yes. So revise once again. What is human skeleton? How many bones is there? There are 206 bones. How many bones?
206.
206. Lulia ma'am, note down.
Yes.
206 bones are there in human skeleton. And 206 bones of human skeleton are divided into two groups.
Two branches.
Yeah, two groups. Look here. Lulia ma'am,
Yes.
this is human skeleton. Is
Yes.
it visible?
Yes.
Okay.
So what's the two groups?
The two groups are axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. First one is axial skeleton.
axial, like AX.
AXIAL, axial skeleton, SKELETON. Clear?
Yes.
Axial skeleton has 80 bones.
81. It is close that central.
51.
80, 80, 80,
Okay.
80 bones. It includes all the bones along the body's central long axis. It
Excellent.
includes all the bones along body's central long axis. This is central long axis.
Yes.
Is it visible?
You said central long.
Axis, that is vertebral column.
Okay.
Central long axis. And those bones attached with this central long axis comes under axial skeleton. Clear?
Axial. Okay. Yes.
It includes skull. This portion is known as skull. This portion known as skull. Clear? Our head part.
Okay, wait, I need to turn off the video. And
Is it visible?
Yes.
yes.
Yes. Skull including bone of middle ear, bones of middle ear. There is 6 middle ear bones, 3 each side. 6 middle ear bones and one hyoid bone here. That is tongue bone.
Hmm.
Okay. That includes in head but not includes in skull. And the second part of axial skeleton is vertebral column, the spine. The spine is the part of axial skeleton. This part. Clear?
Yes.
And the third part of what axial skeleton is thoracic cage, that also known as rib cage. This part, rib cage. Okay. Lulia ma'am,
Yes.
clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. The second part is, the second group of human skeleton is appendicular skeleton. APPENDICULAR, appendicular skeleton, SKELETON, appendicular skeleton. Appendicular skeleton have 126 bones, 126 bones. How many bones is there in appendicular skeleton?
126.
Yes. It includes all the
126.
bones. 126, 126. Clear?
Better.
Catherine ma'am,
Mhm.
any question?
No.
Okay. So the appendicular skeleton includes all the bones that form upper limb, that forms upper limb. This is upper limb, our arm and hand. Upper limb, pectoral girdle. This is pectoral girdle. Lower limb. This is our lower limb. Our leg and foot. High leg and foot. And pelvic girdle. That is hip girdle. This portion. Okay.
Yeah.
Appendicular skeleton consists of upper limb, pectoral girdle, lower limb, and pelvic girdle.
So upper
limb, UPPER, upper LIMB, limb. Pectoral girdle, PECTORAL, pectoral girdle, GIRDLE, pectoral girdle. Lower limb, LOWER, lower limb, LIMB, and pelvic girdle, PELVIC, GIRDLE, pelvic girdle. Clear?
yes.
Any question? No question?
No.
Now we move towards axial skeleton in deep. How many bones is there in axial skeleton?
126
80.
80.
or 80.
80 bones. And the first part of axial skeleton is skull. 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 Skull have 22 bones. How many bones in a skull?
22.
22 bones. Plus 6 middle ear bones and 1 hyoid bone. The first part is skull, that is 22 bones, plus middle ear bones, 6 bones, 3 each side, and 1 hyoid bone.
Meridian bone, how many you say? 6?
Middle ear.
Middle ear.
Yeah, middle ear 6 bones, 3 in each side, 3 left side and 3 right side, and 1 hyoid bone, HYOID, hyoid bone, BONE, that is tongue bone. And the second part is vertebral column, VERTEBRAL, VERTEBRAL, vertebral column, COLUMN. Vertebral column have 26 bones. How many bones in vertebral column?
26.
26. Your spine have 26 bones. But there is 33 vertebra. 26 bones, but there is 33 vertebra. Because there is 1 sacrum and 1 coccyx. Sacrum form after fusion of 5 vertebra and coccyx form after fusion of 4 vertebra. Clear, Catherine ma'am?
Mhm.
Clear?
Yes.
It's sacrum and what?
Sacrum, downside. This portion
And you
is
said, and
sacrum.
okay.
And the last
And what is
portion
the second term?
coccyx, that is tailbone. Coccyx, tailbone.
Cocci bone.
Clear?
Yes.
Further we move towards skull. Note down, skull rests on upper end of vertebral column. Skull rests, R-E-S-T-S, rests on upper end of vertebral column. And supports and protect, and it supports and protects brain and structure of face. It supports and protects brain and structure of face. It is divided into two categories. It is divided into two categories. First one is cranial bones, C-R-A-N-I-A-L, C-R-A-N-I-A-L, cranial bones. And second is facial bones, F-A-C-I-A-L, facial bones.
What is it?
F-A-C-I-A-L, facial. Facial bones, cranial bones and facial bones. Clear?
It starts with H, the facial or facial, you said.
Cranial. First one is cranial. The upper portion of
Yeah.
our skull. The head portion. Upper portion of skull is cranial and the front portion is facial. Our face is facial. Lulia ma'am, take your camera
Yes.
little down. You are not visible. Yes. So our first part is cranial bones that have 8 bones. 8 bones. Cranial have 8 bones. Cranial bones are 8 bones that form the cranial cavity. That forms the cranial cavity. What are the 8 bones? The first one is frontal bone. Frontal bone. That is our forehead bone.
How you spell that?
Frontal, Frontal. Frontal. Frontal bone. That is forehead bone. Forehead. Forehead bone. And that is single bone. Only one bone, forehead bone. Second is parietal bone. Parietal. Parietal bone. Parietal. Parietal bones. Bones. The parietal bones are in paired. This is paired bone. 2 in number. And it forms roof of cranium. It forms roof of cranium. These are the upper bone of our head. It forms roof of our cranium. Clear?
Yes.
The third one is occipital bone. OCCIPITAL. 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 Occipital bone. That is single bone and found back side and lower side of cranium. This one. Lulia ma'am, where are you looking? Look
Yes.
here. This is the cranium. Back side and lower side. The occipital bone. Back side and lower side of cranium. And that is single bone. That forms base of skull. That forms base of skull. And the next bone, fourth number bone is temporal bone. TEMPORAL. TEMPORAL. Temporal bone. Temporal bones are in paired. And it forms side of cranium. It forms our both sides. This both side of cranium. This both side, upper side of our ear. Those are temporal bones. That forms side of cranium. Catherine ma'am, clear?
Mhm. Yes.
And our fifth bone is sphenoid bone. Sphenoid. 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 Sphenoid bone. BONE. Sphenoid bone.
Hello?
Yeah, the bone is sphenoid bone. SPHENOID. Yeah, Lulia ma'am. Hello. sphenoid bone, sphenoid, sphenoid bone, that is single bone. And it links cranium to facial. It links cranium to facial. The last bone is ethmoid bone. ETHMOID. ETHMOID, ethmoid bone. That helps in formation of orbital cavity. That helps in formation, formation, of orbital cavity. Orbital cavity, this portion, the down portion, down front portion, back side of eye and nose cavity. It found back side of eye cavity and nasal cavity. That is ethmoid bone. So there is 8 bones. First is frontal bone, that is single in number, 1 in number. Second is parietal bone. Parietal bones are in paired. And third is occipital bone.
Hello?
Third is occipital bone, that is single bone. Fourth is temporal bone, paired bone. Fifth is sphenoid bone, that is single bone. And sixth is ethmoid bone, that is single bone. There is 2 paired bones, parietal and temporal, and others are single bones.
So my connection dropped for
Yeah,
like,
Lulia ma'am.
do you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear
So-
you.
I didn't get the 5th and 6th bone.
Yeah, fifth bone is sphenoid bone. Write down.
It.
You are in Bali Yoga School, na?
Yes,
How your internet going down?
I have no idea. It
Okay.
keep on doing that. It's frustrating.
Okay, write down. The
Yes, the connection is no good.
okay.
Mhm.
The fifth one is sphenoid. SPHENOID. My
Okay.
voice is clear?
Yeah.
SPHENOID. Sphenoid. Sphenoid bone links cranium to facial. It links cranium to facial. Cranium, CRANIUM. Cranium to facial, FACIAL. Lulia ma'am, clear?
Yes.
And the last bone is ethmoid bone.
E.
ETHMOID. ETHMOID, ethmoid bone. And that ethmoid bone found backside of eye cavity and nasal cavity. So there is 4 single bones and 2 paired bones. The parietal and temporal are paired bones. Means parietal, there is 2 parietal bones and 2 temporal bones, and other bones are single in quantity. Frontal, occipital, sphenoid and ethmoid are single bones. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. Bianca ma'am, you are in Bali Yoga School?
Yes.
Yes. You are new.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Just joined today.
Yes.
Okay. So everything is good?
Hmm?
Everything is fine?
Yes.
Now write down the function of cranial bone. FUNCTION, function. The first function is it encloses and protects brain. It encloses and protects brain. And the second function is it provides attachment site. It provides attachment site for muscles.
Provide.
Attachment site. Attachment. It provides attachment for muscles of head and neck. It provides attachment for muscles of head and neck. Clear? And the one most important part is there. The cranium has a large opening. Write down. The cranium has a large opening. Foramen magnum. Foramen. 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 Foramen magnum. Magnum. Foramen magnum, through which brain is continue with the spinal cord. Through which brain is continue with spinal cord. The name of foramen is, the name of that opening is foramen magnum. Here is one opening. The back downside of cranium. Inside the occipital bone. From where spinal cord, the brain continue with spinal cord. Catherine ma'am, clear?
Yes.
Lulia ma'am,
It keeps on breaking up. Like I didn't hear the last part, honestly.
you want break?
No, it's
Yeah.
breaking up. There's a
Okay,
connection issue.
Okay, in connection, there is break. Understood. So here is one hole.
Right?
The name of that hole is foramen magnum. Foramen magnum. My voice is clear?
Yes.
So through foramen magnum, our brain continue with spine. Continue with spinal cord. With that hole, our brain connects through spinal cord. Clear?
Good.
Our second part of cranium is facial bones. Next point is facial bones. Facial, facial bones, bones. Facial bones are 14 bones. Facial, facial bones are 14 bones.
14.
What is it?
14, 14 bones. Facial bones. Facial bones are 14 bones or facial bones.
14.
Yeah. Facial bones are 14 bones that form the face. That form the face.
Okay.
So what are the all 14 bones is there? We see tomorrow.
Sorry?
We will learn tomorrow about facial bone.
Okay.
So this was all about today's class. That was human skeleton and first part of our skull, that is cranium bone. We will learn about facial bone tomorrow. And now I am going to close the class. So sit in any comfortable position. Sit in any comfortable position. Spine straight. Adopt Gyanar Chin Mudra. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for one time Om, followed by closing mantra. Om. Closing mantra, repeat after me. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet.
It's coming out.
Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an edge. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Om Shanti. And thank you for joining the class. We will meet again tomorrow. Bianca ma'am, any question?
No, I just kind of started like in the middle because we were late from another class.
Yeah, and come in time. Come in time in class.
Yeah. We had another class and it didn't end until 12 minutes later.
That another class, that philosophy class.
Yeah.
Philosophy class.
Philosophy. It went too long, I think.
But that time is up to 8:30 as per Indian time. Last time is
Yeah.
8:30. So 8:30, leave the class and join my class.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, namaste.